My name is Jenny. We just bought a home from Rudy's team. I will be able to find this company on one of the open house event. Before me and my parents we were looking for the house, we've been looking for it just by ourselves without an agent, and we've been looking around a certain area, especially Monterey Park, and it's kind of hard for us to find it to meet our expectation. But we're lucky, and one day we went to the open house by the same street we bought a house, and we found this company. Sophie is very nice. Whenever we need her, she's there. Whenever I have questions, she's there to answer me. Very quick and professionally. Ask for clothing and there's some problem with title, then Sophie is the one who finds the problem. That's very important. That's help us a lot. And me and my parents very appreciate what Sophie did everything for us, and also our whole Rudy's team. We're very happy about this process and purchasing. In the future, any of my family members or friends wants to buy a house, I will definitely refer Rudy Kusuma's team to them for sure.